Good morning and welcome to Take Five with Tara from Stewart Technologies. Today we're going to be focused on actually a part two of a four-part series on sage distribution and manufacturing. And today we're actually going to be focused on using material requirements planning to generate work orders or work order tickets. So first thing you're going to see me do is actually head over to our stock area, and I ran through how to do this during my last Take Five with Tara, but thought it'd be good to just do it one more time. So first thing you'll see me do is go to stock, go to reordering and MRP calculation. And so what this will be doing is just looking out there to see what do I need to create for this particular round of work ticket. So I'm the production manager for Acme Distribution or Acme Manufacturing, and I would just want to make sure that I've got enough in stock of what I'm making to fulfill my order. So you'll see I'll pick my company, and by virtue of picking my company, it'll allow me to do multiple sites. Can also choose whether I want to explode the bill of materials or not and include sales quotes. So for now, I'm just going to hit calculate, and you'll see my MRP request has been put in, and it'll immediately tell me when it's done. So now I'm just going to click on results. And right away, you'll see these are the areas that MRP is suggesting that I create. So when you're doing MRP, you actually have a few choices with your calculations. You can either choose to run each item or each suggestion one at a time, or you can do them in bulk. So I'm going to show you how to create a single work order right from within MRP. So I'm just going to tell it take 9. It's going to tell me the quantity, and I'm just going to hit create. And you'll see now it's actually created my work order. Well, let's say I have quite a few. So in this particular run, I've actually got 3 work orders that needed to be created. Well, maybe I don't want to sit here and create each one manually. So now if I head over to manufacturing and go to my work order planning, which I do want to point out with Sage Distribution and Manufacturing, this was actually recently added into the product. And so now what I can actually do here is select the 2 that I want. So MRP created the fact that I needed these work orders for planning, and now I can make a decision about whether I want to create the orders, clear my selection. So I'm going to hit create orders, and it's going to say, do you want to perform this action on the selected 2? And I'm going to click OK, and now when I refresh, you'll see my work orders have now cleared. And if I head over to my work order screens under manufacturing, you can see here's my 3 work tickets that were generated for today. The power of this for anyone that's in the production planning mode or operation is that you'll note the system allowed me to determine not only what I needed to make, but how many did I need to make based on sales orders and my safety stock that are in my system. And so for each work ticket, it allowed me to create that information. And so if you're in charge of a large organization or a large warehouse where production planning is something where you're currently doing manually with spreadsheets and tracking, you're going to find that this automation can really save you a lot of time. And note, just because I have items in here, I can do planned, I can do firm, I can change the dates once these are generated, but the power of MRP is really allowing me to automate based on my safety stock and my current sales orders to see what I have. If you didn't catch my first Take Five with Tara, I walk you through the item setup, and how to set up safety stock for various items. I'd highly recommend you checking that out. And stay tuned for my next Take Five with Tara over how to use MRP to auto generate purchase orders. Thank you for joining me today and have a great day.